Count back order part 1 with Teacher Farah.
Let's count down from 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it!
Children, now let's redo the exercise together. We need to fill in the numbers in count back order. Now let's recount how many cupcakes we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. How many have here? 1, 2. This box. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we need to arrange the number inside this circle in count back order. So which number will come first? We need to choose the biggest number first. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Children, for homework, I want you to take out Hands-on Math book P2 and please open page 11. Circle the page, write down day and date. Good luck, children!